That's what happens when you tell the birds to go get a hotel.
Out comes the sun and try to pour the rain.
How are we?
Aboriginal mate.
Grow up here all my life.
And get on the piss means.
Get on the charge or grog.
And it's been crazy rain all day.
Just sand, literally sand. That was the floor. You know, the bed didn't have sheet. You know how much we used to sleep on the same bed.
Happy birthday to Grandma.
It's island. Well, a vibe in here. Yeah. It's island. Boy. Wagwan beautiful people. Welcome back to Island White Africa channel. Yes, today guys, so a day or two I'm with little Bobo, and you know, I don't know what we're gonna do today, but yeah, we was tired in the afternoon, yeah. I was fully tired. And asleep. That's my little boy, you know. Love him very much. Stay tuned for what we might do. Might just go walking in the evening when the time get cool. Tomorrow back on the work again, so make use of it, right? Yes man, blessings all the time.
That's what happens when you tell the birds to go get a hotel.
Is it actually?
Yeah, that's disgusting, babe.
Where's the biggest part?
Oh, I'm gonna vomit.
Is it in my ear too, right?
In your arm too.
Friggin' parrot them shit for me now, watch out. That's my water to the garden. I can't. Work morning, my people. Sun didn't even rise yet, you know. Back on the avenue again, you know. Yes, my peeps. Another Monday morning. Yet Monday. It's the starting of the week. Too early. Yeah man, but here we go again. There you are. Guys, I'm here at work and when I'm bridging there.
How are we?
Aboriginal mate. Yeah man. Want to introduce yourself, bro?
My name Tyson.
Yeah.
From Casino.
From Casino.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Grew up here all my life.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can you teach us a few Aussie slangs?
Not today.
Not today. Yeah guys, them have some real Aussie slang, like you would say get on the piss. And get on the piss means?
Get on the charge or grog.
Meaning gonna go drink.
Huh?
Meaning you're gonna go drink.
Yeah.
Yeah man, so we're there guys. Yeah. If you want more videos, some more videos with him, let me know in the comments, alright? Wagwan beautiful people. It's alright now, it's home time. Yeah, alright, my bike I go home. And it's been crazy rain all day. Honestly. Somebody I try beat the rain. Because I also have to go pick up Island from school. You see me? So finally finish after a long day. Yeah. Non-stop rain today guys. Have my igloo with me. Thank God it hold up for me though, so I can go home. Job. Give thanks to finish another day, you know. Yes man. Tired, you know. Go home, go all fresh and relax, you know. Yeah. You guys see my Aboriginal friend earlier today. If you guys also wanna, told me that he's gonna give me a tour of his community, which is a very interesting place. So yeah, can't wait to do that. It's tunnel here under the tree line. Let me see.
I went to school.
Yes, here we are, guys. Back home, it's raining.
Yeah, let's go. Not just crying in this evening time.
So, how was school today?
Good.
Good?
Yeah,
You enjoyed?
yeah.
What did you do?
I eat my apple
You eat your apple?
in my banana,
Oh, nice. And what else?
in my biscuits.
Okay.
Yeah, my biscuits for in school. I just love it in school.
You vomit in school?
Yeah,
Really?
yeah,
Why is that?
yeah,
hmm
yeah.
What did teacher taught you today?
I have drink water.
Did you learn anything today at school?
Yeah.
What teacher teach you ABC?
No,
No?
I didn't.
Okay. Interesting. Alright.
Taka pika pika poo.
Yeah, man, say boss, go to school and enjoy him day, you know? Yeah, man, so we just go and chill, relax.
Let's go.
Apparently
let's
we're
go,
expecting
let's
to
go.
get some rain for the whole of this week, yeah? That's what I've heard. Yeah, so yeah, brace feet, you know what I mean? Yeah, that is that. Huh?
Yes, thank you, toys. Catch your toys, Island.
Itsy bitsy spider climb up the spider web. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out comes the sun and tried to pour the rain. So itsy bitsy spider climb up the spider. Yeah! No?
Yeah,
Yeah?
yeah, like. It's raining, go away, come in, and I just say, go, let's play. Raining, go away. Yeah. It's a hack pack.
Okay.
Yo,
Careful with that.
I love toys.
I know you do.
I got minions.
Minions?
Yeah.
Careful.
Ow!
Minions, yeah?
Yeah.
We got so many.
Yeah. I do.
Another one?
Yeah. Yeah, let's take this I'll keep twinkle, little star.
Also, I'm in a happy mood right now because it's also my mom's birthday. You know, my mom, for all who don't know, my mom is back home in Jamaica, you see me? And yeah, it's the 21st in Jamaica now. Yeah, so I'm very excited. Hey, Bubba.
Hi.
Yeah, so I already sent my mom something, you know, for bless her for her earth strong. So now I just want to tell her happy birthday. It's like 3 o'clock in the morning in Jamaica right now. Probably too early to call her, but still gonna give her a call, and yeah, hopefully she will pick up. Yeah, coming on, so she get up to work like around like after 5. I don't even remember what time my mother got work again. Yeah, but go give her a buzz and see if she will pick up. Alright guys, so stay tuned. It actually said that she was online an hour ago, guys. Hello, mommy. what go on?
Not much.
You still up?
Eh?
You still up?
Yeah, me just gonna lie down. Show me that tidy up.
Okay.
That tidy up the place.
Yeah.
I said, me just never lay down. I will. So me have to sleep cause it the day after.
It's grandma.
Me say me have Grandma.
Happy birthday, mommy.
Happy
Thank you.
Grandma.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Careful, Island.
Happy birthday to you.
Sing.
Happy birthday.
Hold it and sing to grandma.
to you. Happy birthday to Grandma. Happy birthday to you.
Yay.
Thank you.
Yay.
Hooray.
Welcome, Grandma.
Yeah, man.
Thank you.
Yeah, guys. So if you guys never seen my mom, that's my mom right there. Yeah, she look like me, don't? Yeah, man. So you not gotta work this morning?
No, me take the day off.
Oh, okay, well, that good. Yeah.
But me come for work now one day you say me a tidy up place and me couldn't believe that so long it take me for done.
Yeah. That's it. Because I know you got bed late, you know. Yeah.
Me not too long day and come in and say me a go lie down. So me just go lie down and eat the mosquito net and say.
Yeah. We're good. We're glad to see you up still. Because I say, I give you a call because I'm never sure. I want about 3 o'clock now in the morning.
Yeah, but after little bit past 3.
Yeah.
Yeah. Maybe about a minute or 2 or so past.
Okay. Oh, cool. Yeah, so that was my mom there, you know what I mean? Yeah, man, it's very early there. My mom goes to late. My mom goes to bed very late. I can remember from being back home. You know, she always up late. Yeah, and but I was happy to say, I could at least make you feel good for your birthday, see. So yeah, my father passed away years ago, so my mother may have left. So you know what I mean, I have to make you feel really happy. Sometimes I wish I could have done so much more, you know, because I know where she have fought from, I know the struggles as well, you see. And this is not a success story either, because I still not reach the success what me want to reach it. So every day, you know, it's like things step on your mind, same way there's things where you need to achieve, and you know, so you just have to work towards it, you know. So it's not easy, but I really want to put a smile on my mother's face in a different way, you know, not just sending her money, you know what I mean. I want to do something for her way out of this world one of these days, you know, when it, you know, things possible in such way. Yeah, man. But you know, we go through the struggle of seeing even where my mom used to live before, you know, same spot but transition, because I remember when the floor used to be even just sand, literally sand. That was the floor, you know. The bed didn't have sheet, you know, how much we used to sleep on the same bed, you know, individually, you know, everyone work and at least could have a roof over their head and thing, you know. But yeah, trust me guys, the life where me I come from and where my people are fought from is an easy road, you see me. None of we never grew up privileged. You guys seen me interview some of my family on YouTube. You know, you guys seen Swicked, you guys see my sister, Kim, Stigma Boss, all of us. None of us grew up privileged. But we there and we are going to do it, you see it. Yeah, and for me and my mother alone me have, so really have to make her happy, you see it. Yeah. So that is that, guys, and I hope you all enjoy this vlog. Definitely catch you in the next one. Yes, man. Give thanks for watching. You want ice cream?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, please.
You sure you deserve it?
Yeah, I want ice cream, please.
You eat your food today?
I want ice cream.
Did you eat your food? I'm asking you a question.
Yeah, I want ice cream.
Okay. Alright, guys, so good night and give thanks for watching. Catch you all in the next one, yeah? Blessings all the time.